Hi guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Neek. If you are new to my channel, welcome. My name is Neek.
Feel like my heart is stuck in traffic.
So for today's video, I'm going to be doing another hair video. This is what I did. This is my top knot bun that a lot of you guys been requesting for. And I don't know if you can see, I have this hair paint in, and this is what I have in my hair. Or you can get these from in the description box down below. And I kind of mixed it with my edge controller. That's why it's kind of like very blue and stuff. And I literally just finished this hair tutorial, like literally just finished. I didn't put too much like blue to where it's like very noticeable, but my hands still are kind of dirty. I'm going to go to the bathroom after I make this intro and clean up and stuff, fix all this up. But yeah, this is just a tutorial, and I hope you guys enjoy. Give this video a like, comment, and please subscribe to be part of the family, and comment down more video requests, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.
Ivan the producer. Ivan the producer.